Hi, in this video we are going to see the work from home or else online tutoring jobs guys. So whatever the website and whatever the opportunity I am going to show you right now. So it is a trustable website. Okay. So based upon the students requirement here, your recruitment will be immediate recruitment might be there. Fine. And coming to here, any graduate and in any specialization, and you are going to get the salary 25 to 40,000 rupees per month. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. And for more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. Coming to the present content of the video. Here it is a LearnPick website guys. Okay, you may search down in the Google also. Learnpick.in. So that is the official website of this one. And if you scroll down, you may check down here the so many departments, that means maths, English, science, physics, spoken English, economics and accountancy, as well as the computer classes. Okay, the different subjects are there here. And apart from this one, the class 9 to 10, 11 to 12, okay, and NEET. Okay, so different subjects as well as different disciplines are there. So you may check down here. And if you want to become a tutor, okay, then you may check down, okay, become a tutor, click on this one, and then you will be directed to this web page guys. So face-to-face tutoring or else online tutoring or else both face-to-face online tutoring. So which one you are preferring, either online or else both face-to-face and online tutoring. So if you are preferring or else in this pandemic situation, if you are preferring the online tutoring, then click on this one and then sign up with the Gmail, or else you may continue with the Facebook, and the next application procedure will be starts guys. Okay. So it is one way of application for the tutoring in this one. And coming to the second one, whatever the current vacancies are there, that you may check down. So here the careers at LearnPick, click on that one and then you will be directed to the next web page. So whatever the current vacancies are there, and these current vacancies they can able to recruit immediately. Okay, so online English tutor required for wizard.com. So remote working. Location is Noida and experience 2 to 10 years, and the salary is mentioned here 25 to 40,000 rupees per month. And coming to the key skills are English teacher, English tutor, or the content developer or the English tutor. So we are building a new product aimed at the providing personalized fun one-to-one English classes to the school students in India and the Middle East. So if you are passionate, then you can apply this. And what you will do is that train the students in English, assisting them with public speaking, creative writing, vocabulary building, spoken English, as well as experience in IELTS or the TOEFL training, and the cooperate with parents as well as the students to define the learning objectives. Okay, and what you bring is that experience in tutoring English and bachelor's degree, and teaching certification. If it is there, then it will be preferred. If it is not there, then it's fine guys, no problem. And then next, excellent communication skills and proficient in using technology for education, and ability to work independently and adapt to student needs, and able to teach on weekdays, evening and the weekends. And what we offer is that highly competitive pay depending upon the experience and qualifications, and flexible working hours, and the opportunity to grow as a tutor. Fine. And the location that you can work from anywhere in India, and it is a part-time and the contract. So minimum availability of the commitment of 20 hours per week is required. That means per week you have to give the 20 hours. And if you want to apply for this one, then here the link is also there. I will show you this link in the in the next slides guys. So first we will check down whatever the vacancies are there. And the next one is online maths tutor required for this one. So here also same salary is mentioned. And here you have to tutor grade for 4 to 12 students in mathematics, and assisting them with homework and clarifying the concepts or teaching new topics, and work closely with parents and students, and foster a love of learning in your students and boost up their confidence in mathematics. And what you bring is that experience in tutoring mathematics in person or else online or else in the classroom, bachelor's degree or else currently studying or else already graduated one, and teaching certification is preferred, English communication skills and proficient and ability to work independently and able to teach on weekday evenings as well as the weekends. So what they are going to offer is that highly competitive pay, nearly 250 to 350 rupees per hour you will get based upon your experiences and the qualifications, and the flexible working hours and opportunity to grow as a tutor. And you can work from anywhere in India. It is a part-time contract basis and minimum availability commitment of 20 hours per week. So if they are going to give the 350 rupees per hour, and if the 20 hours are there per week, then per week you can earn 28,000 rupees, guys. So really it is a wonderful opportunity. You can utilize this one. And next one is full-time math tutor required for Bengali math book video solutions, so remote working. So here also create short duration video solutions for math examples supplied by the LearnPeak, and create handwritten or digital PDF solutions of the same set of problems. Okay, and the tutor with good understanding of math syllabus of West Bengali board and should be able to explain math step in Benglish, that is Bengali plus English. Tutors should have a laptop with a stable internet connection. And candidate profile, bachelor's degree in mathematics preferred, but it is not essential. Okay, even though if you are graduated from any discipline, then you may apply for this one. And 1 to 2 years of teaching experience. Okay, well versed with the use of Wacom or any other graphics tablet. Clear handwriting in Bengali as well as language proficiency in Bengali, English as well as the Hindi. And here the salary is also mentioned here, 25,000 monthly plus incentives also available. So if you are interested in this one, then you may send your curriculum video or else resume to this provided mail ID, guys. Fine. So these are the current vacancies and how to apply. Okay, so if you are preparing for teaching the maths, then how to apply that? Here the link is given. Just click on that one, and then you will be directed to the web page here. It is wizard.com. Okay, so here you may check down this complete website, guys. And here apply now. So become a teacher online. So apply now. And you have to fill up the details here, name, email ID and your mobile number, as well as little bit description yourself, and upload your resume and click on the submit. Okay, so these are the details you have to fill up, guys. And apart from this one, in this website, okay, if you don't belongs to, if you are not interested in teaching any one of these things, whatever I shown you right now, here the few more different subjects are also going on in this wizard, guys. Okay, that you may check down here. I will show you. So here view all subjects is there. Click on that one, and then whatever the subjects are available here, it will show you. And if you belongs to any one of these subjects, okay, then try to contact them, guys. So nursery level or else class 1 to 5, 6 to 8, 9 to 10 and 11 to 12, engineering entrance as well as the medical entrance and college level and competitive exams, test preparations. Okay, engineering subject as well as the law subjects and management and basic computers, data science. Okay, all these things. So whatever thing that you can teach, okay, and you belongs to, and here also, and course categories also you may check. Okay, then you may apply for this one. So how to apply if you belongs to any one of these departments means, as I shown here in this website itself. If you scroll down, you may check here become a tutor. So click on this one, and then click on the online tutoring, and then continue with the Facebook or the Gmail. Next it will ask you a few details, so fill up all the details and then click on the submit. Then your website, your email ID as well as the contact numbers, all these things will be registered with the LearnPeak. Then based upon their requirement, they are going to call you or else they are going to mail you, guys. Fine. So these are the complete details regarding the vacancies from the LearnPeak. So really it is a very good opportunity to the candidates who are looking for online tutoring in this pandemic situation. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGCNET candidates who are preparing for the UGCNET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGCNET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. The interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide